everyone, today I'm making sesame rice paper rolls with shrimps and vegetables and dip into fish sauce dip. It's so refreshing and satisfying. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, you got on hand the rice paper chart, the plain one. I show you how you instantly make them into sesame. Just plainly spray the water on your rice paper. Normally I use just one piece, but for security I make two pieces now. So it's only pliable, and now you sprinkle toasted sesame seed. I use pluck because that's the way they sell the sesame rice paper with plucked sesame. So sprinkle on your hot, satisfying, and then now I make the roll. Lettuce, mint, fish mint, Vietnamese oregano, peppermints, sweet mint, culantro, whatever vegetables you like to use, just apply. No strict restriction here. You can see I just laid down the Okinawa spinach, and this one is ragao, a kind of small bone onions, and we love them. Let's see, can I find different thing here? This is the mint, sweet mint. Living in a warm place like we do, growing vegetable for our use is very easy, and you can believe they taste so good, very different from buying from the store. Vibrant, aromatic. I just sometimes surprise myself. Now this is the way I roll it. I show you a few times how I do this. First I roll a little bit and then I tuck in. Can you see where for shrimp I place a little at the end of the paper, so that after you done rolling, your shrimp will show vibrantly. Can you see? If you put together next to the vegetables, they will hiding. Now let's do the second way. First I folded both sides, and then I started rolling from the end that closest to me, and just going until I reach the shrimp and the end of the other side. Can you see? They are very beautiful and secure. Now one more time. I fold it over, and then I folded both sides. The four shrimp, when you place like that, it assures you every roll the same size. Your rolls will be very uniform. That's what I do so that I can take picture, and they make attractive. But you eat at home, you don't care what long, what not. So they are so beautiful, so they are deserve a place of display on my living room. Now let's make a fish sauce dip. I add a little chili sauce here. Chili sauce here, this one is not spicy. If you want real spicy, you add a real chili, fresh one, and spicy one. Now I use the shredder to shred my garlic after I peel them. This way your garlic is very small and mingle into the sauce, into making a very good dip. I don't have the lime today. Normally I use lime instead of lemon, but I use half of lemon today. Now some sugar to balance out because the fish sauce is salty. So the rule of thumb here, you get one dip. You make one dip that is balanced between saltiness of the fish sauce. I'm adding now the sugar for sweetness, the chili sauce for spiciness, the garlic for piquancy. So done. Let's do a taste test. It's so flavorful and fulfilling. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.